Rescue crews continue to search for survivors after those deadly tornadoes that tore through the South and the Midwest. Here in Erie, we spoke with several groups and businesses now working to help families who lost everything. Brian Wilk joins us now in the studio. Brian?
That's right, Sean. From money donations to food to clothes and backpacks, these organizations are accepting anything that can be used to help these families who are trying to put their lives back together. As the agonizing cleanup process continues, many families are left with nothing. The Lower East Side Federation is collecting anything that can help: clean clothing, non-perishables, hygiene products, and money. So far, they have several boxes of donations. This Sunday, they plan to load them all into the back of a truck and ship them down to Kentucky that was hit especially hard. This act of giving is what the Brotherhood is about.
And it's about caring. It's about helping other organizations, other people, and we help them any way we can.
Helping those in need is nothing new to the Lower East Side Federation.
And wherever there's something happening and we can be part of, we want to do that.
Butch's Place Family Restaurant on West 26th Street is also collecting donations.
There's so many people displaced and so many people were killed and so many people injured. It's just total devastation down there, and they're going to need all the help they can get.
He has a glass jar for donations by the register. He says you don't even have to buy anything. Just stop by and fill up the jar.
Stop in, donate, let's help these people. It's Christmas time. They've just been totally devastated.
King says right now he's looking for the right nonprofit to give the money, so he is sure all of it will go to the victims. If you're still hoping to pitch in, the Lower East Side Federation will also be having a big donation drive this Friday. Sean?
Thanks, Brian.